Okay, please take a moment to write this down. Pause the video if needed. We are going to go ahead and practice changing degrees to radians and then again radians to degrees. So we are going to start with the degrees, a 20-degree angle. We're going to take the angle we're given, which is the 20 degrees, and we're going to multiply it based on the last slide to go from degrees to radians. We're going to multiply this by pi over 180. Remember, any whole number that you're given as a fraction is just over 1. So when we multiply this all together, we get 20 pi over 180. So we are going to simplify as much as we can. For this problem, 20 goes into 20 and into 180. So we're going to divide both of those to simplify this. So 20 goes into 20 one time, and 20 goes into 180 9 times. And so this will result in a radian measure of 1 pi, or just pi, over 9. Okay. Going the opposite direction, we're going to start with our radian measure, which is 7 pi over 4. And we're going to multiply by now 180 over pi, going back to the notes that we wrote down on the last slide. I'm going to simplify first before I multiply everything together, just to make the numbers a little easier for myself. So since I have a pi in the numerator and in the denominator, those cancel each other out. Okay? And we end up with pi divided by pi, which is 1. Similarly, we're going to simplify the 180 with the 4, because one's in the numerator, one's in the denominator, and they're divisible by each other. So if we look at that, 4 goes into 180 45 times. So this here becomes a 45, and 4 goes into 4 one time. Okay. When we multiply all of that together, we get 7 times 45, which is 315, and 1 times 1, which is 1. So the resulting degree is 315 degrees.